Hey guys, Kurt from Vhedia here. In this video, I will show you how to do force update on your Vhedia X series head unit. This video only applies to our head units that has a UI like this. If you have our head unit that looks like this one, then there's another video for it. I will put the link in the description. Let's focus on this X series right here. So force update method is used when your head unit suddenly turns off by itself while driving, or if the screen is just stop responding or some parts of it just stop responding, and on any other issues that aren't fixed by our troubleshooting steps on our website. If the normal firmware update process doesn't work for you, say you're getting an error message, so we want to do a force update method on that. So let's start and I'll show you the steps. Okay, now what we need to do is to head over to our website, of course, and let's download the firmware update file. So from our homepage, just go to hover downloads and click on X series downloads. Scroll down and you will see this red button right here. Now this is our current build number. If you already have this build number on your head unit, then your head unit is already updated, but we still want to do this force update method for the issues mentioned earlier on the video. Just click this firmware download button right here. I already downloaded the file, so I won't download it anymore. Then after you downloaded the file, what we need to do next is to format your USB flash drive as FAT32, because the head unit can only recognize that USB format. So get a USB flash drive with at least 4 gig of storage and up. Since it's our X series, it will only require at least 4 gig. Now, if you have a Mac, just go to disk utility or click your USB flash drive first and then click erase. Then format FAT32, then click erase. Now, if you have a Windows, on the other hand, the process will be similar. So just plug in your USB flash drive, open your file manager, and you will see your USB flash drive just like on this one. You just need to right click it and then click format. That's for Windows, but for Mac, you need to go to disk utility. All right, now it's done. And what we want to do next is to copy the firmware file on the USB flash drive. Now, this is very important. You don't need to extract the zip file that has been downloaded. You just need to copy it as is on the USB flash drive. Also, the file name should be kupdate.zip, nothing more, nothing less, because when you download the firmware update twice, sometimes it will put just like kupdate.zip1. So we don't want that. We just want the file name to be kupdate.zip. So again, do not extract, simply drag it on your USB flash drive so that it will copy. Copy. I'll head over here, paste. Alright, let's just wait for this to finish copying, and then we'll head over to our head unit. Alright, so once you've done copying the USB flash drive, eject your USB flash drive, then you will need to plug it in on your head unit's USB port. So let me do that. Alright. There are 2 methods to do the force update method. Now, the first one is that you will need to unplug the main 20 harness pin from the back of the head unit. But you need to press and hold the power button. And then while doing that, while holding the power button, you need to plug back in the main 20 pin harness and wait for the head unit to boot up. Then once it shows that the head unit is updating, you can then release the power button and wait for the update to finish. Now, the other step is you can get a SIM card ejector or a paper clip, then unplug again the main 20 harness pin from the back of the head unit, then insert your paper clip or SIM card ejector through the RST hole. Just wait until you feel a click and then plug the head unit or the main 20 harness pin back in. So let me do that. I will do the force update method. Okay, I already felt the click. Then turning back on the head unit, as you can see, it's now saying starting update. I will then release the RST button and just wait for the update to finish. Alright, now it's just finishing the update, and then the head unit should boot up in a bit. Alright, it's now loading. It may take a while to boot up at this point since we just did the update and the head unit will, of course, do its thing to load the files and all. Well, we just need to wait it out. Okay, the head unit is just now finalizing the update. It's currently installing the pre-installed apps. Right, now the update is done. Let us just make sure we have the updated firmware file. As you can see, it says 2023-07-11-17-22, so that's all good. After that, see if the issues you're having on the head unit is fixed, and you're good to go. Cheers!